Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel or pause your DAZN subscription to stop monthly charges or take a break from the service, follow these steps to manage your account. Step 1. Open a web browser and go to DAZN.com. Then log in with your account email address and password. Step 2. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Then select Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Navigate to Subscription or Membership in your account settings to view details about your current DAZN plan and billing information. Step 4. Look for the option to cancel subscription or manage subscription. Click on it to access cancellation and pause options. Step 5. DAZN may offer you the option to pause subscription for 1 to 3 months instead of canceling completely. Choose this if you plan to return. Step 6. If you want to cancel completely, select Cancel Subscription and proceed through the confirmation steps. DAZN may ask for a cancellation reason. Step 7. Confirm your decision by clicking the Final Confirmation button. Your subscription will remain active until the end of the current billing cycle. Step 8. Check your email for a confirmation message from DAZN regarding your cancellation or pause. You can continue watching until your pay period expires. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.